This is Shikha Sisodia, your science teacher. Children, in last video we started chapter 2 components of food. In that video I explained you the different nutrients needed by our body. What are the different nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and roughage and water. I explained you what are carbohydrates, fats, and all other different nutrients and other components like water and roughage. I also explained you about a balanced diet. A diet containing all the nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals and other components like water and roughage in proper proportion is called as a balanced diet. Means अगर हम सारे nutrients जैसे प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स एंड अदर कंपोनेंट्स लाइक वाटर एंड रफेज राइट प्रपोर्शन में खाते हैं तो हम क्या खा रहे हैं? वी आर ईटिंग अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. चिल्ड्रन, अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट इज वेरी important nowadays. Means nowadays we are facing a disease that is COVID-19, and if we are eating a balanced diet we are preparing our body to fight against diseases like COVID-19. हमारी इम्यूनिटी क्या हो जाती है? स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती है अगर हम क्या खाते हैं? बैलेंस्ड डाइट. See children, here a food pyramid is given according to National Institute of Nutrition, India. In this food pyramid, it is clearly given कि what we should eat and which, how many, मतलब what quantity. So children, to understand the importance of a balanced diet, here in this video I am going to tell about an interesting story of a boy that did not eat a balanced diet. वो बॉय जिसका नाम है जॉनी, और जॉनी क्या नहीं खाता है? बैलेंस्ड डाइट. Johnny learned in school what a balanced diet is. Already he learned कि balanced diet क्या है. Means he knows कि important, what is the importance of a balanced diet. He learned that there are different food groups and we need to try and eat food from all the different food groups every day. Johnny did not want to eat anything else, and the only thing that he ate were मैंगोज. मीन्स जॉनी जानता था कि बहुत सारे जो हमारी बैलेंस डाइट के जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, हाउ मच दे आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट देन टू ही एट ओनली एंड ओनली मैंगोज. ही एट इट फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, ही एट इट फॉर लंच एंड ही एट इट फॉर डिनर ऑल्सो. His mom told him that even though mangoes are very healthy, he will have to eat a little bit of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vegetables and also some dairy too. Make sure, means कि मदर ने बोला कि अगर आप ये सारी बैलेंस डाइट खाते हैं every day, so you have to eat it every day to get in all the vitamins and minerals that his body needed to make sure that he stays healthy and has a good immune system. Immune system, but immune system तो हम जॉनी को पता ही नहीं था. What is immune system? So he did not know what an immune system. So his mom explained that it is a special fighting machine in your body. कि हमारी बॉडी में एक मशीन होती है, फाइटिंग मशीन. इट इज़ लाइक अ लिटिल सोल्जर्स. और कैसी है वो? लिटिल सोल्जर्स की तरह, जो प्रोटेक्टिंग योर बॉडी फ्रॉम द एनिमीज कॉल्ड वायरसेस लाइक COVID-19 and bacteria that wants to make you sick. The stronger your immune system, the healthier you will be. जितना अच्छा आपका immune system होगा उतने ही आप healthy होंगे, उतनी ही आपकी body तैयार होगी to fight against diseases. The best medicine nowadays is a balanced diet or like a strong immune system. Johnny still did not listen and he just keep on eating mangoes for breakfast, lunch and dinner. His mom even joked. मदर ने बहुत मजाक बनाया और कहा one day he is going to turn into a mango because that is the only thing he ate. मदर ने बहुत हंसा और बोला कि एक दिन जॉनी किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? मैंगो में. Johnny's friend Michelle came to visit him. Michelle was clever and he explained the food pyramid to Johnny again, but still Johnny was not interested in anything else but mangoes. जो जॉनी का फ्रेंड था वो उसने भी उसको इम्पोर्टेंस बताई फूड पिरामिड की और बैलेंस डाइट की, पर जॉनी किस में इंटरेस्टेड था? सिर्फ ओनली एंड ओनली मैंगोज. One day while Johnny were eating his mangoes again, he felt a tingling sensation in his head and feet. He could feel that he was shrinking, but not only shrinking, he was getting rounder. His skin started getting an orange color and before he could really understand what was happening, he turned into a mango. एक दिन जब जॉनी मैंगो खा रहा था तो सडनली ही रियलाइज्ड कि कुछ मिस हैपनिंग हो रही है. उसकी बॉडी श्रिंक हो गई, राउंड हो गई और धीरे धीरे उसकी बॉडी का कलर चेंज हो गया और जॉनी टर्न into a mango. Johnny was scared and alone as he just lied there on the floor. He saw his mom came into the kitchen and he heard her say that what a beautiful fresh mango this is. I think I will cut it up and put it into some fresh fruit salad. जॉनी बहुत ही डरा हुआ था, अलोन था. सडनली उसने सुना कि मदर भी किचन से बोल रही है कि वॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेश मैंगो दिस इज. कितना ब्यूटीफुल एंड फ्रेश मैंगो है. मैं इसे कट करके क्या बनाऊंगी? इसे रखूंगी फ्रेश फ्रूट सैलेड में. Oh no, Johnny thought, this is not good. My mom does not know that it is me and she is going to cut me into pieces. What am I going to do? जॉनी बहुत ही सैड हो गया कि मम्मा को भी नहीं पता कि ये मैं हूं और मम्मा मुझे काटने वाली है. Oh no, he saw his mom coming closer and closer with the knife. उसने देखा कि उसकी मदर धीरे धीरे नाइफ के साथ उसके पास आ रही है. And he shouted as loud as he could, No, it is me, Johnny. और उसने चिल्लाया, नहीं ये मैं हूँ, जॉनी हूँ. Suddenly, Johnny heard his mom saying, Johnny, wake up. You are having a bad dream. Slowly he opened one eye and then the other one. He lifted one arm and the other. He wiggled one foot and then the other. He felt his face just to make sure everything was still in the right place. जॉनी ने देखा तो उसने अपने सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को टच किया, हिलाया और फील किया कि अभी मैं क्या हूँ? अभी मैं अलाइव हूँ. Oh, thank goodness. I did not change into a mango. He thought with a sigh of relief it was only a dream. और जब उसने देखा कि हाँ भाई मैं जॉनी हूँ तो उसने गॉड को थैंक कहा और उसने एक बहुत ही ठंडी सांस ली. His mom laughed when he told her about his dream and from that day Johnny would eat a balanced diet every day and grew up to be a healthy, strong young man. और उस दिन से जॉनी ने क्या खाना स्टार्ट कर दिया? अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट एवरी डे एंड ही ग्रीव अप टू बी अ स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड हेल्थियर यंग मैन. So dear students, I think you all understood the importance of a balanced diet, especially nowadays in these critical days where we all are facing COVID-19. So stay healthy and thank you.